Hey guys, this is Startanya. I'm going to give you a quick preview of my open world server system for UE4. This is the management console. It's kind of the brains of the system that coordinates all of the other pieces, and it also lets you monitor the system. Here we have the user accounts, our configured world servers, and there aren't any map instances running, but that will soon change. Right now I'm running all of the components on my dev machine here, but you can split these components out onto separate servers, which is what I do when I play with friends. Okay, when a user tries to connect, it checks to see if the current map is loaded and has room. If so, they connect to it. If not, it sends a request over to the world server, and the world server boots up a map and then sends a request back to the management server to let it know, okay, it's okay for users to connect to it now, and then that will let your UE4 game know that the user can connect. Let's take a look at how that works. Here's my packaged UE4 game. Okay, what it just did is this map was not available. It sent a request over to the world server and it's booting it up, and as soon as it gets done booting up, the user is going to load in. There we go. The user loaded in, and in the character class I have a setting where you can set how often to save the location back to the server. For this demo I have it set at 20 seconds, and we'll move here and you should see that come up here. There we go. It just saved back to the server, and you'll notice here's the spot to look, and you'll notice that the location changed. Okay, let's get a second user in here. This user is going to load on a different map. So it's also going to have to load that one. Okay. What I've done for this demo is I've created a portal between the maps in this gate here, and now I'm going to go through it. And there we go. Now you can see I'm on the map with the other player. And let's take a look on the management server what we've got. You can see that that map has changed. You can see that there's now 2 instances running on the world server. And here's the 2 map instances. It's got Kennebrez loaded on port 7779 and Kennebrez 1 loaded on 7780. That's basically what I wanted to show you, but let's take a quick look at my roadmap. So I'm finishing cleaning up code and adding missing admin tools. I do a lot of the admin now directly through SQL just because I made this to play with friends. I didn't need all those admin tools, but now I'm adding those. I want to add a player registration system to allow your players to sign up for your game and create their account. This management server here runs on Microsoft IIS and has a Microsoft SQL Express backend, so it's going to be really easy for me to create a registration system where your players can register for your game. I want to add a dungeon instance system that allows you to launch new map instances with a group of players. So basically, like in World of Warcraft, you can get together a group of players and then you can join a dungeon and basically it will pull all of those players over into it. Right now, the system is basically just adding each person to the next available map instance. But this would allow you to stay together with a group of players. It could be used for dungeons. It could be used for player versus player. I also want to add a chat server system to allow players to chat across map instances. Right now, if you were to chat, it would just stay in that one map instance, but I want to allow you to be able to chat across them. So to do that, I need an external chat server system outside of UE4. I also, right now, persistent storage is only at the character level, but I want to add persistent storage for actors placed in your worlds. This could be items. In my case, it's going to be a building system. But basically, it's going to allow you to place actors in the game, mark them as persistent. They'll get sent to the database. They'll be stored there. And when it reloads the map, it'll reload those actors right back in. That's basically everything that I wanted to show you. Obviously, I got a lot of work here to get this up and running, but let me know your thoughts. Thanks.